Send it. Oh, can you? I'm already halfway in. Right, here we go, people. This is me about to run down. Oh my god, I'm going to have to put body weight in. I've crashed into his fence. There we go. Steady. Yeah, so what we saying, start her up and try and see if we can get more lock.
See if you can, I'll try anything for us.
Yeah. 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 What are we saying? Right, only a little 2-hour loading. Easy. We suffered one clutch failure. The old boy in his camper van helping us drag it out. Yeah, that clutch didn't last long. Yeah.
Destroyed his fence.
We destroyed his fence. pulled out a fence post.
Took out a fence post and burnt his clutch just so you could get the strap.
Oh dear. Oh dear. So this is just off the trailer. Obviously, so we got it running on brake cleaner back when we picked it up. Let's get up there. And this is the engine bay.
Is it a 1.3, 1.6?
Yeah, I don't know. It must be at least 2 litre. Right, so oil check. Obviously, quite important. Yeah, it's good to me. It's got oil. That's all that matters. So let's take you to a tour de cab. Ugh. Just look at the fucking size of this thing. Look at the size of this thing. Here you go. Defender. Oh my god. jump in. As you can see,
Behind me.
we've got a main battery isolator down here. Everything is in French, so we're kind of guessing at the moment, but we found the obvious things. Battery isolator. We've got a choke that's not connected.
You want some fresh diesel, do you, sir?
Yeah, it's like in that pissy, yeah, that's it.
Is this piss or diesel?
Yeah, both.
I'll keep the diesel topped up.
Throttle.
Lost throttle? Lost brake.
Kill it.
The engine room are complaining, sir.
Yeah, I mean, this glass is fucking heavy. Yeah, I can turn it off. So I think that was definitely low range on that one, on that test drive. Okay. Like the revs were like absolutely fighting, weren't they? That's fine.
We'll do a top speed one now.
Yeah, I think that throttle's come disconnected. I think. Oh, let me have a look.
Lost
Potentially.
throttle, we never had brake. But the clutches.
But we have clutch, yeah. Yeah, spot on.